Designing floating islands is one of the most visually exciting ways to build fantasy environments in Photoshop. Today, how to create photo bash floating islands. Open Photoshop and create a canvas around 3600 by 2000 pixels with a bright sky background. Import a large mountain or cliff image and place it in the center of the canvas. Use the lasso tool to select the bottom portion of the terrain and press Ctrl-J to isolate it onto a new layer. Flip this section vertically using Free Transform so it forms the underside of the floating island. Now blend the edges using a layer mask and a soft brush